Hello, today we will learn how to draw rows with watercolor brushes in Illustrator. First of all, create a new document. Change the width to 1000 pixel and height to 1000 pixel. Set the color mode to RGB and click Create. Now from Window menu, click on Brushes. To start drawing, we need some watercolor brushes. I will use my own watercolor brushes to draw the flowers saved in Brush Library. Link is in description to download these brushes. Now I start drawing with Paintbrush tool. Set the fill color to none, and I have selected the stroke color red and stroke size 0.2 point. I selected this brush for first stroke. Change stroke size as required to draw the middle part of rows. I use different brushes for every stroke to make different petals of rose. I used Width tool to adjust the width of stroke from middle point. Change stroke size, click on Draw Behind, select Brush and start drawing again. Adjust the petals. Increase size of stroke and keep changing brushes. Adjust the brush size to match the scale of your flower center. Start by applying the brush to the center of the flower, creating a soft, watercolor effect. Make sure your strokes are smooth and slightly irregular, like real petals. Vary the brush size to add depth and texture to the petals. Now flower is completed, group it. To make its copy from Edit menu, click on Copy and Paste in front. Change stroke color of second flower. Now to draw leaves and branches, select this brush and select brown color and stroke size 0.25. To draw leaves, select this brush, stroke color green and size 1 point. Also select variable width profile. Creating beautiful watercolor flowers in Illustrator with watercolor brushes can add a touch of elegance and creativity to your design projects. This versatile technique allows you to experiment with various colors, shapes, and textures to achieve stunning results. So, get creative, explore different brush settings, and let your imagination bloom with these watercolor floral designs. You can draw beautiful flowers with these brushes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.